Hello everyone, welcome back to Ash and Anna Vlogs. As we have promised, we are here today with the part 2 of the video. So we made a resolution as well today that we'll keep the medium of communication as English so that the viewers out here can also understand. So we did had two plans for the day. One was to go to the arts exhibition which is happening at the beach side, and another was to climb the Constitution Hill. Since we were nearby, we first headed to the art and crafts fair. The exhibition had an amazing collection of paintings, photographs and souvenirs which can be an excellent piece of gift for your friends and family. So we thoroughly enjoyed the exhibition. We tried to cover most of the exhibition so that it can be interesting to some of our viewers. I particularly love arts and craft, so looking at a painting makes me forget everything around me. I love paintings, I love photographs, so it always fascinated me, and I always love to have one in my living room as a very lovely home decor, which I can always look into it and forget everything.
So this is the real view of some of the pictures that were displayed in the art gallery. It's really nice to see some of the pictures of beautiful areas of Aberystwyth. So after enjoying a great work of artists, we just continue our walk, and our next destination is to reach the top of Constitution Hill. The other attraction of Aberystwyth is that both beach and the Consti Hill is nearby, where the visitors can enjoy the breeze at the same time they can enjoy the beauty of trekking. The other thing about Constitution Hill that when we start our trekking, we will come across with such a beautiful views of nature. The another fascinating thing to watch while trekking was paragliding.
What a mesmerizing day. Nature has its own healing powers. More we are drawn to the busy world, more we forget our Mother Nature. Nature can heal us, soothe us, and comfort us, and set a new dimension to our life.
So on our way back, we saw a tiny friend who was really enjoying the weather just like us.
While standing on top of the Constitution Hill, we could see the entire Aberystwyth town, and we could also locate the place where we stay. So this is another amazing experience we had here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.